Here are the bees. They're going great. The nice little honey bees. Just chilling out. Gotta keep the smoker going. Look at them. I'm gonna remove the leaf from your entranceway. Grab that. There we go. There they all are. They're just around. They're just going about their day. They're pretty calm for someone who just cracked open their hive. There they all are. There's a little worker bee. We got this foot out pretty nice. There's some honey going over there. Here they come in for landing. Coming in. Some are just investigating, like, what are you doing here? They're all working. Like watching a little airport. So cool.